Hi guys, it's Tony. Today I'm just updating you on the video I did of the Everbuild fire cement. So this is what it looks like after basically I had the fire last night, and this is what it looks like. It's starting to now blend. They were completely cracked, and I'm quite pleased with that. That was completely broken, so that was the worst one. It was like 1, 2, 3 pieces. So obviously you can still see a little bit of cracks there, but this is not intended to be a permanent fixture. It's just a temporary fix while you're getting them replaced. But it will extend the fire, I know, for another while. And that's all this is meant to do. It just gets you away. It stops it. It preserves the life of the fire bricks at the back. So there you go. I just thought I'd show you what it was like, and thanks for watching. And I picked this up from Boys Stores in Darlington. So thank you and good evening. Bye bye.